Welcome everybody. So today we're going to be dealing with doldrums action. These clips are all from one series of storm cells that I went through. This is just north of the equator in the Atlantic Ocean, and this was last year. So kind of going through it and the ups, the downs, the highs and the lows, and hopefully you enjoy it. If you do, please throw a like on there and share it out because I'm trying to grow the channel and it's with all your support. Thanks for all the comments as well. And here we go.
Oh, we got ourselves a little classic doldrums action here. For the last hour or so, basically been doing circles. And this is why. That sweet beast right there been sucking up all the wind. So I cracked into the bush light. Not exactly cold, not exactly warm though, so I don't know how that works because it's 95 degrees in the cabin. Whatever, it's all good. We're headed in the wrong direction, but at least we're headed away from that. Rolling thunder. I'm starting to see bolt lightning. It's not exactly awesome. Well, quite a change from like 6 minutes ago. Now it's blowing good. Luckily the nasty part's back there. So we're riding sort of the edge of whatever it is, but the winds went from about 2 knots to 20, which isn't huge, but it's a shock to the system. If you've been out here for a while, it's like, ah! But we're holding our own. Now we're sailing exactly the direction we want to go, southeast, sailing fast. It's not gonna last though. As soon as this little ridge line here passes over us, pretty sure the wind's just gonna die right off again. But hey, I'll take them. Cut to 20 minutes later. It's now we're in between that line squall there and that thing letting loose, and then the next one coming in, and this next one definitely looks way worse. Feeling big puffs of 88-degree weather or wind, and then cold wind as well. So it's not gonna be a fun couple hours out here on Sparrow, but we're gonna try and do our best, jamming some tunes. All right, so crazy storm system down here at about 3 degrees south or 3 degrees north near the equator, and all morning light winds, watching this sort of system build to the north, and I was riding south winds, so the system was basically sucking the wind up as it grew. And just a few minutes ago, the wind went from blowing from the south to blowing from pretty much the north. And the good news is I'm still able to head exactly the same direction, but intense. I normally don't ever see switches like that outside of big low pressure systems. So I mean, this is obviously just a big squall system. It's huge though. It looks like we're gonna get some good rain. Maybe I'll catch some water, fill up my couple of 5-gallon tanks. Hopefully I'll be able to catch about 10 gallons. We'll see. But the biggest thing again is that we're moving basically southeast, where 10 minutes ago we were headed pretty much due east. And the wind has flopped. I mean, we had to tack real fast to deal with this one, but yeah, I don't know. Oh, the fresh water is flowing. There's my little doodad there, hanging on the gooseneck. Bing, boink. Oh man, what a wild little storm cell. No lightning, which is cool, but check it out. Oh, that's full gallon there. That's a half gallon there. That's a pint. Woo! And I am completely clean, squeaky clean, but we got more. It's all coming. This is great. I'm gonna dump all this in the bigger jug and then fill them back up. Oh yeah! This is a blessing! Ah! Boosting! Go, Sparrow, go! Man! Southeast! Ah! Ah! Thank you! Oh, thank you! Oh yeah! Ah! More! More! Yes! Oh! This is what we needed! We needed it! Yeah! Oh, thank God! Thank God! My eyes! It's so good! So good! Oh.